Whose bag is that?
That is Jenny's bag.
Good. What can you do?
I can swing.
What do you have?
I have a key.
Do you have a comic book?
No, I don't.
What does she have?
She has a music player.
Good. What does this say?
Calf.
One more time.
Calf.
A.
A.
Ca-
A. Cave.
Good.
Rise. Smoke.
Good.
Cube.
Mm-hmm.
Mule.
Good.
This is a car. The car is red. This is a train. The train is green. These are puppies. This is a puppy theater. This is a board game. It's fun. This is a dollhouse. It's pink.
Very good.